Hi, Dr. Dominic here at Elite Facial Plastic Surgery. Have you ever thought about what a lower eyelid lift or lower lid blepharoplasty would involve, as well as the downtime? Well, I'm happy to answer that for you. A lower lid blepharoplasty, or ironically enough, people like to call it a lower lid eye lift because they think of an upper lid eye lift, really involves, for the most part, removing fat that's present behind the lid. What happens is over time, as we age, the support system for the lower lids becomes a little bit weak. And then as that occurs, the fat that's present behind the eyes, it's always there, has always been pushing on the lid. And as the weakness of the skin and muscle occurs, it starts to herniate forward. I often tell patients an analogy, as unfortunately as we age, like a belly over a belt buckle. And so that's why you end up starting to have a little bit of shadowing that's present there. So the treatment of choice normally is going to be doing a lower lid eye lift, which essentially involves removing some of that fat. Now, this can be done through what's called a transcutaneous, where you go through the skin, or a transconjunctival, where you go behind the lid skin. Either procedure does a very good job of removing the fat. However, the one thing about doing the procedure, the transconjunctival, where you go behind the lid, is that by not disturbing the skin and the muscle, it's less likely to lead you to have problems with the way the lid looks. In my practice, I like to do a transconjunctival approach. And with that, that allows us to make an incision behind the eyelid, remove the fat that's present, and then the incision line normally doesn't even require sutures. It'll just heal up on its own. Now, the other part to this is the lower lid eye skin. Depending upon your complexion and how much wrinkling you have, you may be a candidate for doing laser resurfacing. And in doing laser resurfacing, you're able to smooth the skin out, and it also helps to tighten some of the appearance of the skin. So if you have any interest in doing a lower lid blepharoplasty, or if you have any other questions, feel free to check out our YouTube channel and also give us a call. I hope this helps to shed some light on the lower lid eye lift. Take care.